In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest to improve your organic ranking. Ubersuggest is a fantastic tool that can really help boost your website's visibility. Whether you're just getting started with SEO or looking to enhance your existing strategies, this guide is crafted with you in mind. First off, you want to find the right keywords. Begin by heading over to Ubersuggest. It's an easy platform to navigate, so don't worry if you're new to it. Once you're there, simply type in a keyword related to your topic. This is your starting point. You'll notice some metrics popping up like search volume, which shows how often people are searching for that specific keyword, and SEO difficulty, indicating how challenging it would be to rank for that term. Ideally, you want to target easy to rank keywords. These are keywords with a decent search volume, but lower SEO difficulty scores, giving you a better chance to climb the rankings. Next, you'll need to get content ideas to fuel your strategy. Click on the Keyword Ideas tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see a list of related keywords as well as the questions people are frequently asking about your topic. These questions provide a goldmine of content opportunities. Consider creating content that directly answers these questions. It's a surefire way to attract and engage your audience. Checking out your competitors is another integral strategy. Enter a competitor's website into Ubersuggest and take a look at their top pages and keywords. This offers insights into what's working for them and might spark ideas on how to improve your content. Remember, it's not about copying, but learning and adapting strategies that you can tailor to your audience. Fixing SEO issues is crucial too. Ubersuggest's site audit feature can come to your aid here. Run a site audit to uncover slow pages, broken links, and missing headings that could be holding you back. Fixing these issues can considerably improve your site's performance and, consequently, your ranking potential. Building backlinks should be next on your to-do list. Peek at which sites are linking to your competitors. Opportunities might exist to get your content linked by similar sites. This doesn't just help in improving your domain authority, but also in driving more traffic to your site. Lastly, tracking your progress is imperative. Utilize Ubersuggest's rank tracking feature. This provides a snapshot of how your keywords are performing over time, whether they're improving or dropping. Keeping an eye on this can help you make necessary adjustments to maintain or achieve better rankings. So there you have it, a clear path to using Ubersuggest for enhancing your organic ranking. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to seeing tangible improvements in your SEO efforts. Good luck and happy optimizing.